Hello, welcome to Tech and Carry, the channel that provides technical solutions from the most basic to the most complex. And today I'll be demonstrating how to test in Zoom your camera and your audio. Open a browser, type in Zoom test, enter, join a test meeting. If you do not have the client installed, you'll be prompted to install it at the bottom. Don't have Zoom client installed? Download now. So if you look at the bottom left hand corner, you have a mic with a red line through it. So that means muted. If you click on that, you're unmuted. And as you can see, there is a green bar going up and down. So that means the host and anyone else that has joined the meeting can hear me. If you click on that arrow on top, you have quite a few options. If you have multiple mics installed, you can switch between mics. Or if you have multiple speakers installed, you too can switch between different speakers. If you would like to test your speaker microphone, you click on Test Speaker Microphone. And this is testing to make sure you can hear a ringtone and that your speakers are working. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. And this confirms my mic is working. And this confirms my mic is working. If I want to mute my mic, I'll click on mic. To start video, click on start video, because as you can see right now, there's a line through the video, a red line, which means the video is disabled. Click. And now here's my video. I will stop. And if I hit the up arrow here, as you can see, I can select which camera I'll be using. And right now I'm using my Epoch Cam from Elgato. And I have video settings down below. As you can see, I have HD selected. If I want to mirror my video, it switches from one side to the other. I usually leave that unchecked, and that is the default. I could touch up my appearance, which I'm not going to do, and I can adjust for low light, which is set for automatic. Okay, the advanced settings, I leave everything as standard. I'll close that. If I want to see how many participants have joined, I can look down where it says participants and it tells me the number. If I want to see exactly who's joined, I click participants and it tells me here. To close it, hit the X. Oh, actually, no. Close here. There is a down arrow here. And you hit close. Chats, if I want to chat with the host or chat with anyone else in the meeting, as long as the host has given us, I would say everyone permissions, then they could go in here and hit the chat. To close, hit the down arrow and close. Okay. If I want to share my screen, as long as the host has given the participants access to share their screen, I will do it right here. And as you can see, the host only allows one participant to share at a time. And I click here and I can actually share my screen. It asks me which screen do I want to share. And I can choose the one right here. I'll choose this screen. And as you can see, there's a green bar around my screen. And that means I'm sharing my screen. To stop sharing, click on Stop Share. And I seem to have covered most of everything. To record, only if the host has given you permissions to record, but usually the host records the meeting. So for now I will end my meeting. I will and because I'm the host, it's asking me, do I want to end it for all participants or do I just want to leave the meeting? So I'm the host and there's no other participants in this meeting. I will end the meeting for all. To choose a background or to blur your background in Zoom, start video, select up arrow, choose a virtual background, click on one, close, and as you can see, I have a new background. If I want to blur this background, I'll go back in and I'll click on blur my background. And what it did, it actually went back to the original one and it's blurring my original background. In addition, I could choose filters and I'll show you how those work. So you go back in, choose virtual background, click on video filters, and you can switch between filters. I like this one. This one is like a camera window. Click on none to go back to original, none on background, and close. And now I'm back to the original. Anytime you minimize the zoom window, what usually happens is that you get a minimize window here. So if you want to go back to full screen, exit minimize window, you'll click on all the way to the right, that square box. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very informative. Please like and share and stay tuned for weekly content. In addition, if there are any other topics that you would like me to cover, please comment in the section below.